Class-1 English Animals and Birds.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about animals and birds.
Okay, sir.
Children, first let us see a video about Jaggu who loves animals and birds. Then we can discuss about the lesson.
Hello, friends. My name is Jaggu. I live in Nagpur. Come with me. I will tell you about the animals that live near my house. This is your dog. It lives near the gate. These are cats. They jump up and down in the veranda of my house. This is a rat. The rat is very small. The cat chases the rat. This is a cow. It eats grass. These are monkeys. They swing and jump in the tree. There is a field beside my house. There are few snakes in it. You have to walk carefully in the field. Friends, now I will tell you about the birds I see near my house. This is a crow. It is black in color. This is a pigeon. It is grey in color. It is a sparrow. It is a small bird. This is a parrot. It is green. It has red beak. This is a peacock. It has many colors. Friends, I love animals and birds. Hope you too love them. Thank you.
Children, how is the video?
Very nice, sir.
Janu, what do you learn from the video?
We learned about the birds and animals and also learned that we should love them.
Very good, Janu. Children, do you know that some animals live in the jungle? Look at the picture and say the names.
Lion, tiger, elephant,
Pinky, what is the color of a parrot?
A parrot is green in color.
Vimal, what is the color of a crow?
crow is black in color.
Rani, what is the color of a rat?
A rat is grey in color.
Ram, what is the color of a peacock?
Oh, it has many colors.
Very good, children. Hope you all enjoyed the lesson. See you all in the next class. Thank you, children.
Thank you, sir.